Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Well, you already know that this is me, so that's out of the way. These are my friends, Elizabeth, Morgan, Allie, Savannah, and Savannah's boyfriend, Michael. We went on this adventure to go see an ice tree. If you want to see, then I guess keep on watching. Yes! Hi guys! This proves that I actually have friends, just letting everybody know. Hi!
Oh no. By your viewership and also by you.
I appreciate you so much.
Aww.
You ran a yellow light!
I couldn't stop! I'm the real star here. I don't know why you're missing this great opportunity to help me achieve my dreams.
Allie got stuck.
Child locks in there. Child locks.
Wow, the sky is beautiful.
Wow. Spotlight I deserve.
Oh, it's a video. Yes, this is my vlog.
Hi!
Look how big it is. Wow, it's like a mountain.
I'm a mountain.
Looks like Elsa's ice castle.
Snowman. Come on, let's go.
Wow, it's crazy how nature just makes these
Nature
things.
just did that, you know?
God is amazing.
Look at that big tree. It's real. Yesterday, when we went to me and Cameron and Hannah went to get coffee, and Hannah made a snowball, and Cameron told her to throw it at me, and she just threw it at Cameron's face. Oh my god! Have you seen Frozen? Oh, you guys gonna watch that tonight then?
Nah, we're not. I wish you would.
It could be a snow woman.
Yeah, don't be sexy.
A gender neutral snow human. Sorry.
Being, not human either. Bye, Elizabeth. Bye.
Bye.
Nicole gave me pretzels.
Morgan gave me love.
Morgan gave me love.
I'm also eating.
Allie is also eating pretzels.
Give me a second!
Well, that's the end of our adventure. Thanks for tagging along with these beautiful gals.